Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. We are in Lake Tahoe. It's been 3 years since we've been here and we're so excited to be back. I'm barely starting to vlog. Well, I vlogged little clips here and there and I'll kind of add it into like a video of me like over talking. I think that's how this vlog is going to be, but we've been here already 2 days. This is our 3rd day and we're going to the beach today. There's my cutie. Show them your outfit, your cute bikini. Woo! Just pick up your pants, girl. They're falling. They're falling. There you go. Cute. We got Leo. Hold on. I'm trying to show his outfit. Cute. My husband over there looking handsome. Let me see those muscles.
Tiny pin.
Tiny muscles. She got jokes. All right, and my outfit. But we are going to the beach, so let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna catch you guys up. This is the first day at Heavenly Village in Lake Tahoe. We actually rode a horse in a carriage that day and took us around Heavenly Village. There was like a beach that we got to pass by, and poor little horse, because he had to ride 8 people, like all of us were in there, and he did an amazing job. Here's the babies excited, and well, they're calm but not that excited. They were just like, what's going on? But here's the guys, my brothers. And after that, they got to feed the horse as a little gift to the horse because he rode us around Lake Tahoe for a good 30 minutes. And my brother did it, the kids did it. It was so much fun. After that, we went and had some pizza at Blue Dogs. It's in the same village, Heavenly. And the pizza there, guys, is so freaking good. Like, so good. You guys have to try it. The chicken wings were not that good, but the pizza was like a 10 out of 10. The wings were literally so dried, but that's my brother thinking he's cute eating his chicken wings. After that, we left Lake Tahoe, went to Truckee, which is like 50 minutes away from Heavenly Village, and we got to our Airbnb, which I'll give you guys a tour at the end of the video. But the backyard was beautiful and we were so happy with the Airbnb we got. And we also went to Truckee Thursday, which is a lot of local vendors, and ended the day there. After that, the next day, it was actually raining. We did not expect this, but it was like raining, but not hot or cold. It was just like perfect. And we got breakfast at Coffee and Breakfast. That's actually the name of the restaurant there in Truckee, and it was really, really good. I got chilaquiles, the kids got pancakes, my husband got French toast. But it's just like your American everyday breakfast, and the view from there was beautiful. We sat on the window. It was foggy and rainy, so it was just gorgeous. After that, we seen that the rain was clear, so we headed out to a hike. This is before we started the hike. We stopped at the Emerald Bay View where you can see the lake, and it just looks so pretty. And this is my daughter. We're climbing down. I'm all scared holding her. She's like guiding me because I literally am not a hiker, but I'll do anything for my kids because she loves this. So we headed to the Emerald Bay hike, which was pretty hard. If you have kids, I don't really, how do you say it? Oh my god, I can't even talk right now, guys. I don't recommend it. There you go. I don't recommend it because it was really tough. At the end of the day, we ended hiking through the rocks and the river, which was hard because we had to climb rocks. We had to just get through it. Oh, no thunder. We gotta go, guys. The thunder's coming. You don't hear that? After I heard that thunder, I was like, nope, we gotta go home, guys. We gotta go home. But these are the stairs that you have to hike. And going with kids is literally not worth it. You're gonna have to carry them, and it's just so much. But look at this cool caterpillar. I had to record it. And the next morning, we actually made breakfast at home. We made some pancakes, steak and eggs from last night's carne asada that we had, and we all enjoyed it. There is my beautiful family just having breakfast. My cutie pie is the cutest thing ever. And we got our lunch ready for the lake. We made homemade ceviche for everybody, and this is us ready for the lake. But once we arrived there, oh my god, we missed this water so freaking bad. Look at the freaking crystal clear water. Like, we had to go paddleboarding. This is my first time actually trying paddleboarding. I loved it so much that I want to buy myself a paddleboard now because I was literally a pro at this. Look at me. I only fell once, but we never videotaped the part that I fell. But this is my brother ruining my scene of me actually thinking I'm cool. This is the first time actually trying to stand up, guys. and I did a great job. My daughter also tried it. I'm so proud of her. She did such an amazing Time actually did such an amazing job. And look at my little man just floating around, bored out of his mind, but he loves the water, so he just stays there with us and relaxes. This is my husband, actually, first time as well paddleboarding, and he hated it. To be honest, he hated it. He fell like a million times, but I mean, at least we got a good video of him trying, and he did it, you know, at least he tried it. Now this is me right here showing you guys a better view of the water. Look how freaking crystal clear this water is. Like, if you haven't been to Lake Tahoe, you're definitely missing out, especially if you're from California. Like, you're missing out on this beauty. And this is me eating my lunch that we made at home. The kids got chicken nuggets and pizza because they don't like shrimp or anything like that, and me giving you another view of the beautiful lake. Like, it's just a must. My brother found crawfish, and I was like, what? I didn't even know there was crawfish at Lake Tahoe. That's crazy. But he literally brought them home, and I'll show you guys later. But here's a baby playing in the sand. They had to warm up a little bit. They didn't really like the lake at first, but they ended up liking it. They weren't a fan of the water. The water is really, really cold if you're going with kids, but it's just cold like when you first dive in, and after that it's like a little, you know, your body just warms up to it. But these are the crawfish my brother brought home. He brought 5 of them. He cut their little legs off, he grilled them, and was gonna have them for he actually had them for dinner, and we had burgers that night for dinner. And look at him, this is him eating his freaking crawfish. Like, he was serious about eating these things. He said they actually taste like shrimp. I didn't try it. I was like, no, I don't like killing an animal then eating it. I'd rather just buy it killed already. You know, I didn't see the whole process happen, so I was like, I cannot eat that. And then this is him messing with the kids with the damn crawfish legs. He was messing with them. They hated him so freaking bad, but it was kind of funny seeing them react to it.
When you see your grandma.
Ay, mi muchacho, ¿cómo estás? Ay, estás creciendo muy rápido, mijo.
So this is the next day. We got ready for the lake for the last time. We went back to Meeks Lake again. That's the first one you guys seen where we were paddleboarding. And there's my sister, the kids. The kids look so cute. This table is actually from Amazon. It is perfect if you have kids. I'll link it down below in the description box. I will also link these chairs and my umbrella cup holders that came in a kit with like the cup holders, the anchor for the stand. I can't even talk, oh my god. And the little hangers on top that you can place on your umbrella to hang your towels or anything like that, like hats. These are the kids playing. They look so freaking cute and adorable. And look at the lake behind them. It is just so gorgeous. The water is so crystal clear. And this day we actually went kayaking. We did kayaking last time we were in Lake Tahoe. So definitely do some kayaking, do some paddleboarding if you're in Lake Tahoe. The water is just so beautiful that you're not going to want to leave Lake Tahoe until you get in there, because that's how beautiful the water is. It just makes you want to just like do things in the water. So we've done kayaking, and I would say I'm a really professional at kayaking. This is my second time doing it, and I love it. It's such a cool sport. I can actually do this as a hobby. But this was our last day here, guys. It's finally the day to go home, guys. I'm ready. Road trip outfit, just simple, comfy shoes. Super comfy because we got like probably like 5 to 6 hours to drive depending on the traffic. But I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the house because I haven't done that, and it's pretty big, to be honest. Here's the living room. Look how pretty it is. Oh wait, it looked double because of the mirror. That's like the mirror I was talking in. And here's the living room, and you turn over here is the door for the backyard, the kitchen, the table, and then over there on that door it's a room, which my sister's sleeping right now. Well, it's time to go home, but they're still sleeping. But we're gonna go to breakfast, so we got up early. And then you turn this way, and it's upstairs, and there's 2 rooms up there. This one right here is the laundry room, right here. And then here's the stairs. You turn this way is the room that we were in, the master bedroom, and it has a bathroom, which with carpet. Yeah, that was not a fan of that, but I mean, it is what it is. It's still a pretty house. A vanity mirror. This is so cute. I love this. And this is just the room. Spacious, big, 2 closets to put things in. Then you go upstairs. Oh, look at him climbing already. Oh, no. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. He's fine. He's fine. He fell a little bit, but he's a trooper. You're a trooper. Huh. Oh, my baby. You gotta be careful, baby. You just can't climb down like that. This is why I'm so happy I don't want stairs, and I never do. Honestly, I never do. Even if I didn't have children. Stairs are just too much. Stay down there with your papa. Leo. And then you come up here, and it's... he's crying now. It's just this little hallway right here. 1 room. When are you waking up? This is my brother that hasn't woke up. Closet. I think it has 2 closets. We're leaving already. Then this way, you turn to the other side. This is a restroom that they got to share. I think this house has 3 restrooms. This is the other one with 2 beds. Rafa, we're leaving already. Hurry up. 2 closets. Pretty big house. Fits a lot of people. I think it said it fits like 8 people. All right, let's go back downstairs. You're still waiting for me? Hi. I'm coming. Yay. So I'm gonna show you guys out. So now I'm gonna show you guys coming to the kitchen over here. Like I said, that was my sister's room. And these are just closets right here. Then you come here is the way you come in. If you come this way, it's the playroom. So this is a huge playroom. It is pretty big. This house is super big that the kids were like everywhere. We had to like look for them all the time. And here is the 3rd restroom. Somebody's in there? Oh, I was about to open the restroom on my sister. But there's a restroom, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show a little glance. There's a shower, the toilet on this side, and yeah, that's it. Ready to go? Ready to go? And this is the backyard. There's actually a golf course over there. Let me go real quick so I can show you guys. Oh, it feels so good up here. It's not like super cold. It's like perfect. You can still be out here with like a t-shirt and not freeze. So pretty. You have the neighbors. You have there's actually a golf course over the rock over there. So you see people playing golf all the time. And there's houses next to you. You have like a bench and chairs. I was sitting there last night just waiting for the sun to go down. Felt so peaceful. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. No, we're going inside. That same morning, before we left, we headed over to Jack's Trucky's Diner, which is like right next to the railroads. Inside the restaurant, it looks like if you're in a train, which I really love. I love the atmosphere in there. It was actually featured in Food Network in diners, drive-ins, and dives. And the crab cake eggs benedict is what I had, and it was featured on the show as well. I got that with some biscuits and gravy on the side. It looks so freaking delicious. My husband ended up getting chicken and waffles, which the chicken was so moist and good. And the crab benedicts were actually real crab. I thought it was going to be imitation crab. I was like, oh my god, this is actually real crab, and it is so good. Definitely worth it. The biscuits and gravy were a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend you come here before you leave Lake Tahoe. Or if you're in Truckee, definitely hit that place up because it is in Truckee. But that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye guys.